Hi, I'm Lynn Marie Rosenberg. Welcome to this incredibly honest tutorial on how to find something wrong with every guy on an internet dating platform so you never actually have to go on a date. There's my phone so I can date or not date. There's two kinds of things you can find wrong with guys. One is things specific to you, and one is things that I think should be deal breakers in general. First, we'll look at things I think are specific to you or to me. This guy smokes. People still smoke. This guy has alcohol in every picture in his profile, and I think that suggests both a lack of creativity and potentially a problem. This guy can't seem to use punctuation in any agreeable form. All of this guy's pictures are selfies taken from exactly the same angle, which suggests to me that he both has no friends and also no originality. This guy has a lot of cats, like a lot of cats. Now here are some that I think are deal breakers for more than just me. This guy is a white guy who says he'll only date other white people. Swipe left. This guy has a joke about being a catfish and also a joke about killing you. Some humans genuinely worry that going on blind dates will wind up with them dead. It's not a funny joke. This guy is lying about his age and admits to lying about his age in his profile, which somehow to me is doubly terrible. This guy has no head. And this guy has written 2 paragraphs in his profile teaching women how they're oppressed in the world. Maybe if men did less teaching and more learning, they would get laid more. That's how to find something wrong with every guy so you never have to go on a date. I hope that was really helpful. Oof.